Welcome back, my guys. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. Thank you if you have done so. And I think you have liked the video. Thank you if you have done so. Okay, so in this part, we are going to take a look at branches. Okay, so we are going to concentrate more on branching, or on branches, whatever. But just know we are going to concentrate on branches. Okay, so computer science professors tell their students to avoid jumps and go to instructions. Okay, and to in order to avoid spaghetti code. Unfortunately, assembly only has jump instructions to control program flow. Okay, so in this part we are going to explore the subject that many people avoid, like the plug. Okay, and we will attempt to show how the spaghetti of assembly can be translated into the more familiar control structures of high level languages. Okay, so specifically in this part we are going to focus on if then else and the switch branching instructions. Okay, so in the next part we are going to start talking about these instructions. Okay.